Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ariel and today I'm going to show you how to balayage your tape-in extensions. So here I have some old tape-in extensions of mine that I want to lighten up a little bit. These were previously balayaged, but for me personally they're not as light as I want them. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to balayage them. So the supplies you're gonna need to do this, you're gonna need your developer. I'm using Paul Mitchell 30 volume cream developer. You're gonna need a teasing comb. And you're also gonna need your lightener. I'm using Paul Mitchell Synchro Lift Lightener. You're gonna need foil, aluminum foil. You're gonna need a mixing bowl and you're gonna need a brush. I'm using one with a rat tail. And then another rat tail comb. And I have my extensions laid out and I have them sitting on, I have a cutting cape underneath, and then I have garbage bags up under my extensions, just because I don't want to like ruin my cutting cape, you know what I mean? So the extensions are already teased the way that they need to be, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert the clip of me teasing them so you can see how to do it. So once all of the extensions are teased, like you see here, I'm gonna show you how to mix up the lightener. But it's important that you tease the extensions. That way there's no harsh lines and it just helps really create a seamless application. All right, now we have our foils, so now we're gonna mix the color. Or I'm sorry, we're gonna mix the lightener. Make sure you have gloves, you guys, okay? We need the gloves. All right, so now that we have the gloves on, I'm gonna show you basically how I'm gonna do this, all right? We're gonna get a foil, separate the hair. We're gonna get some lightener. You guys see that? We're gonna start at the center. Kind of work the ends up into the foil. Okay, make sure everything is completely saturated. And then just gently feather it up, okay? Just gently feather it up. Okay, now I'm gonna rinse these out. I'm not gonna wash them. I'm just gonna rinse the lightener out because tomorrow I'm gonna run to Cosmoprof, get a toner, and apply that on. So it's a little bit lighter. All those teasing knots are still in there, and we'll comb those out once we're done rinsing everything out. You guys see that? It's blended so nice. Like there's no harsh lines. The perfect color melt. So I'm gonna let those dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'll pick you back up to do the toner. It's the next day, and this is how the extensions came out. Some of them lifted a little bit more yellow than others, but there's a lot of red undertones that I want to get rid of. So I ran to Cosmoprof and I picked up the toner, Paul Mitchell brand, the Demi. I picked level 10 blue violet, and this is the processing liquid. It's this brand is a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you use a 2-ounce bottle, you would need 2 ounces of the processing liquid. So I'm gonna go ahead, prop you up, mix the toner together, and show you how I'm gonna tone this. Okay, so I have everything I need here. I have my extensions, my processing liquid, my toner, my measuring cup, and my application bottle. So the first thing I'm gonna do, and my gloves, because I don't want to mess up my French tips. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use, I already know I'm gonna need a whole 2 ounces of this. So I'm just gonna measure, I'm gonna pour it in here, and then I'm gonna measure 2 ounces of the processing liquid. You can tone the hair wet or dry. So if you already have the toner and you didn't want to let them air dry overnight or whatever the case may be, as soon as you rinse out the lightener, you can tone them with towel dried damp hair. All right, now we're gonna rinse them out. I'm gonna go ahead and wash these and then dry them and show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so this is the final outcome. I'm very happy with the end result. I hope this video helps someone. I am gonna be posting more content like this in the future, so if you haven't yet, please subscribe to this channel, give it a like, a comment if you enjoyed this video. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I hope I see you guys in the next one.